AutomStack P1, your first step into the world of laser graving, starts here. With AtomStack software, we have an extensive preloaded library of templates. Adjust the settings with a single click. Transforming your life? It's as simple as that. The 5-voltage diode laser effortlessly handles a wide range of everyday materials. It also supports switching to a 1-voltage infrared laser. The super efficient and rock-solid Core XY design. And it delivers a slick 0.1mm movement precision, spot on every time. Fully enclosed, FDA Class 1 laser safety design, a USB interlock. Secure enclosure detection and gyro-based tilt detection feature for added security. Experience the joy of creation alongside your children. Completely safe for home use, no worries at all. The dual laser version can handle over 300 materials, ensuring every detail is perfect. A true game changer. Whatever you need, we offer a range of options. Looking for more? It also supports accessory upgrades. The possibilities are endless. Expand your workspace up to 3-fold. Effortlessly produce large batches in one go. Whether it's a thermos or a wine glass, or rings and bracelets, the P1 handles them all with effortless precision. It can also help you with business customization. Profit in the marketplace. Turn ideas into reality. With the AutomStack P1, creating is just that simple.